Hey friends, if you wish to fix NVIDIA color settings resetting after restart, reboot, startup or boot up, then please watch this video. So search for color management in the Windows search bar, click on color management and then go to the advanced tab, and then you can select this option here to calibrate change the system defaults. You can go to advanced once again and uncheck this checkbox which says use Windows display calibration. Close it, this is it. If this doesn't help, then you can perform a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, open system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Okay, so this is for the services, and if this doesn't work either, then perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.